Om Sri Paramatmane Namaha. Today we will be talking on the concept of Bhagavad Gita, on the passage of soul after death, which Nachiketa in Satyayuga asked Jama, what is the passage of soul? Lord Krishna has elaborated in 8th chapter, last few slokas, on 23rd, 24th and 25th slokas. The answer he has given. जत्र काले तनावृत्ति आवृत्तिं चैव योगिना प्रयाता जानति तं कालं वक्ष्यामि भरतर्षभ. जत्र काले तु अनावृत्तिं आवृत्तिं चैव योगिना. That means आवृत्ति अनावृत्ति, the time when one will expire, you will get a rebirth, and time one will expire, will be getting assimilated with Supreme Soul. That Lord has described Arjuna in this connection. That Agni Jyoti Aha Shukla Sanmasa Uttarayanam Tatra Prayata Gachanti Brahma Brahma Vido Janaha. On 25th sloka, he has described Dhumo Ratri Tatha Krishna Sanmasa Dakshinayanam Tatra Chandran Asang Jyotihi Yogi Prapta Nivartate. Two types of yogis: those who have attachment with the world and those who do not have the attachment. Their fate is described over here. That Agni Jyoti Aha Shuklang, those enlightened, those who are without attachment to the world, they have the fate that when they die, usually in enlightened way, in the daytime, in the Shukla Paksha, and in Uttarayanam, that is from December 22nd to June 21st. This is Uttarayana. And they are Brahmavit, and they get assimilated with Supreme Soul. And those who die, Dhumo Ratri Tatha Krishna Sanmasa Dakshinayanam. That means in dying in death at night time, Krishna Paksha in Dakshinayana, that is June 21 to December 22. This is called Pitrujana. The other one is Devajana. So this is the way of time of death. One will, God decides that who will die at what time. And as per the work in the performance in this world, when the death time is also determined by God. If one realizes these two ways, Devajana and Pitrujana, one will not be entangled in this worldly attachment and austere entire life to avail the God, not to have a rebirth. In this connection, I have written in Astagujjari Raga my own composition followingly in Odia language. Kahuchi Arjuna tomako yogi mananka gati anabrutta jnani yogi je panti paramagati prakrutir gune abruta ଯେଉଁ ଯୋଗୀଙ୍କ ମତି ସଂସାରରେ ପୁଣି ଜନ୍ମନ୍ତି ଏହା ଅଟେ ନିୟତି ଦିନରେ ଓ ଶୁକ୍ଳ ପକ୍ଷରେ ଆଉ ଉତ୍ତରାୟଣେ ଯିଏ ମୃତ୍ୟୁ ଲଭେ ସଂସାରେ ब्रह्मलोक वरणे रात्रिरे ओ कृष्ण पक्षरे आउ दक्षिणायने जिए मृत्यु लभे संसारे पुनर्जन्म वरणे मोहित नुहई जे जोगी दुई मार्ग जे जाने सदा जोग युक्त अर्जुन हुआ यही कारणे. हरि ओम तत्सत.